Hey guys, today we're cooking French fries and Pacho is rating them at the end of the video.
First, we cut the potato lengthwise into 3 to 4 pieces. And then into sticks. Now add the fries into a bowl and cover them with cold water. Let them soak for around 30 minutes. With this method, the surface starch comes off, which is essential for crispy fries. Now take them out and pat them dry. Get a pot and add 1 liter of vegetable oil. Heat up the oil to 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius degrees and fry the potatoes for 4 minutes. When the time is up, we remove the fries. Dry and cool them on a paper towel. Now we increase the heat of the oil to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius degrees. Fry the potatoes for a second time for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the fries and place them on a paper towel. Finally, we add the fries to a bowl and salt them. So, how do you rate the fries, Pacho?